Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your Instagram. So if you can't change your password on your Instagram, so how you can fix it? So mostly you can't change it because Instagram just block some actions for your account, so you just need to wait some time. So just wait some time and try later. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again, and if you use mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.